Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational family vlogs on my channel. And for those of you who are returning, hey y'all, what's going on? So today I'm going to be doing a St. Patty's inspired makeup look. Yes! And I'm so excited because St. Patty's Day is all about the color green, and y'all already know I love the color green. Yes. So I'm really excited to do this. It's gonna be like a green, it's gonna be kind of a green look. We'll see. You'll have to stay tuned to see what it looks like, but there will be green incorporated for sure. So I am going to just walk you guys through it. It's going to be just you guys watching me. It's too much for me to talk still. You know, my skills are improving, but not that well. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me create this look, and then we'll talk about it at the end. So if you want to see me create a St. Patty's Day inspired look, then please keep on watching, but make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already did one eye, but I forgot to tell you guys what palette I'm going to be using. So I'm actually going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. This I got out of my February Ipsy box, so I'll just show you guys that here. And as you can see, it looks really good. And then I'm going to be using one color out of here, which is going to be the blue Cote de l'Ivoire, and this is from my Afrique by Juvia's place. So yeah, now I'm going to stop talking and you guys can watch. I'm going to zoom in too so you guys can see a little bit better of what we got going on here. Alright guys, I am back and this is the finished look and I love it as always. But yeah, so this lip was actually really hard to do. So I didn't have like a green. I had like this Dr. M from ColourPop. It's like this tealy green. So I put that on, and then I put the green that I used on my eyes from the Afrique palette, the Niger, and I put that over top of it to kind of make it look more green. But I gotta get closer so you guys can see. But this is the finished look. This highlight is to die for. I haven't used this in so long and I forgot how bomb it was. Yeah, we are St. Patty's Day ready. Alright, I'll give you guys a close-up so you guys can see the eyes. So I just did a green kind of eye with rainbow. And then I popped on some lashes just to give it a little pizzazz, and then I did the little gold on here so it kind of looks like it's a rainbow. You see that? So it's like the pot of gold is my eyeball. Yes. But yeah, and then there's the lip, just a little green lip to go with it. But yeah, this is it, you guys. I had so much fun making this look. This was a lot of fun. Got another one to get me out of my comfort zone. I love St. Patrick's Day, mainly just because it's a lot of green, but it's just a fun holiday. So I hope you guys have an awesome St. Patrick's Day. I hope if you were looking for like a makeup look to do, that this inspired you to do something. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this look. But yeah, other than that, that's gonna be it for this video. Please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!